so hard, it hurts so bad when hearts are parted. Oh heaven knows, oh no, oh heaven knows, oh no. I try to guard it.
First thing we're going to do before we do anything else is accidentally ground while we're trying to install. Make sure I mentioned before, we're going to run the switch up through the firewall here and there safely, and the firewall is still sealed for today. Other side. Line the rats now, so we are going to pull. We just pushed up, and there it is.
Oh heaven knows, oh heaven knows, I tried to guard it. I tried harder each day. I sacrificed, but it won't pay.
Loosen other lights around, so we're just going to put it straight to the battery. Take it 12, tighten it back down. Sidewall, I have a couple of my other lights going here, coming from the relay and the fuse. Tighten that one back down. And now we can move on to connecting the switch and the plug from the other side. Your relay also has a nut free to mount it into any of the factory holes. I'm going to find the other end of this guy. Do a quick connect. And it should look like that when you post. Obviously, we need to connect the battery back up. The light is off, and when you press it to turn on. On the back, we got some 3M tape. Anywhere you want to.